Hello, everybody. It's John again from immoviewer 360, and today I'm going to continue on the using links series. I know we've tackled the how to use private links previously, so what I'm going to tackle today is how to use the public links. Now, guys, just for additional information, public links are primarily are there so your viewers will still have full access to the tour even if you're sending out private links for lead generation. So all you have to do to use these public links is to copy and paste the link onto your clipboard and post them to wherever you want to post them. You can post them on Facebook. You can post them on any social media platform you're on. You can also post them on your emails. So just to show you an example of how the public links can be shared on social media, let me show you. Click test. You go, just copy and paste the link right there, and a preview should appear essentially. So you can type a description about the tour. You can say, since this is testing simple tour, and you can click on post. Essentially, once you click on post there, what happens is the people will see the panoramic image, and when they click on it, it'll lead them to the virtual tour itself. As you can see here, it's loading on my screen. The tour is loading essentially, and there you have it. So that's one way you can actually use your public links. What the public links primarily does is it gives your viewers full access to the tour, despite of the fact that you've already restricted some of the rooms. So in the previous video, we've used a private link, and some of these rooms appears to be restricted. But when you send out a public link to somebody, no matter how restricted the tour is, so long as they have access to the public links, they will still view the tours without any restrictions at all. All right, guys, so that's one way you can actually use the private links. If you have any questions, feedback, comments, suggestions, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Again, this is John wishing you guys a happy immoviewer day. Thanks, and have a good one.